Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the 120 FPS gaming test on this MI 10i device using this kind of game called which is the Ace Force, as you can see. So this is a game which is available for the 120 FPS support. So right now I'll be using the real-time FPS monitor which is available inbuilt in this MI 10i device, friends. So in case if you don't know how to enable this real-time FPS meter, so there is a separate playlist which is available. So in that playlist you'll find this video how to enable the real-time FPS meter, so which is really useful feature when you're playing the games and doing this kind of videos. Even it's helpful for me as well to keep track of the real-time FPS. The phone Mi10i has the Snapdragon 750G processor. It's quite a very new processor and it's kind of close to premium end segment mobile phone, but it's not premium end. So that is what you need to remember. So it lies between the Snapdragon 765G and the Snapdragon 855. So that is where it lies. The Antutu benchmark score was about 3,40,000. So you will get an idea about the Antutu benchmark score. So first let me try to show you the display settings. Exactly, I'm using the 120 Hz. So as you can see here, so I'm using the 120 Hz refresh rate. So let me try to quickly show you the size of this Ace Force game as well. The size of this game is about 622 MB, so it's quite a heavy game, I would say. So anything above 500 I would say a little bit heavy, but not so heavy as a Genshin Impact, which is a 10 GB game, close to that. I did a gaming test on that one as well, 10 GB game. So make sure to check that video. And this is the playlist which I talked before. As you can see, this is a Mi10i device. I did upload more than 70 videos on this particular model alone, so make sure to check those videos, friends. In case if you're planning to buy this phone, you should know a lot of things. So not only the plus points and good point bad points, everything you need to know, A to Z, all the topics, all the tips and tricks, everything. So that's what I'm doing right now. So every day I'll try to post new videos on this Mi10i device. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that kind of updates. For the next couple of days I'll be testing the in-depth of this Snapdragon 750G processor. So testing all the possibilities and what will be the gaming in this phone as well. So right now I'm playing the Ace Force. As you can see the real-time FPS monitor clearly, you can see here. So 95 FPS. And let me quickly show you the settings, how much I have used, what is the graphic settings I'm using. So let me try to show you that. I don't think we can find the graphic settings here. As you can see, there is no option for the graphic settings at the moment. So only for this music and language and link device and credits. So let's play the game. So let's see, friends, what will be the here. So I'm trying to play the match here, friends, using this gyroscope sensor in this Mi10i device. So this will even show the possibility of the mobile phone, how much it is. As you can see, it's coming real time of 88 FPS at the moment. 88 and 90 FPS, 98 FPS, as you can clearly see here. '86 FPS, 93 FPS. As you can see, 85 FPS. So let me even increase the volume so you know exactly. So 90 FPS. It's not coming close to the 120 Hz. So it's maintaining about 91 FPS and 83 FPS. You can clearly see 96. It did not even cross 100. I think just now it crossed 100. So it's about 101 FPS. I did get right now. As you can see, friends, so the maximum FPS I did achieve is a 101 FPS at the moment by playing this game. So let me try to play another match and show you the result, how the results will be there. So even the gyroscope sensor is also working pretty fine with this phone. So 106 FPS and 108 FPS. 112 FPS. FPS, 109 FPS, you can see clearly. .98 FPS. .90, 100 FPS. So maximum I think I did see about 108 FPS, I think so. The phone started to get heat on the back panel, particularly while playing this game. So whenever you play this kind of higher games, you will be able to expect this kind of performance here. As you can see, friends, so the maximum I reached about 112 FPS, I think. That's not consistent, but average was about 90 FPS throughout the time, so that is what I did notice. So this is a quite intense game as well. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to play the same game in the Poco X3 comparison side by side, so you will know exactly how much FPS the Poco X3 is getting and how much the Mi 10i is getting, so you can compare both Snapdragon's processor as well, in case if you are very curious to know. And that's it for this video, friends. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe, and also to support me by subscribing. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.